Presenting Moschino handbag. It's made in Italy and made from pure leather. Come to fashion with Smiley. It is a very comfortable design in and out, and extra pouches to put on your things. It's very spacious. It's a pure leather bag with its gold chain and adjustable straps. You can choose it either way, whether a crossbody or just simply a shoulder bag. Good space, good size. It's beautiful, perfect, and smile. Something Moschino needs to be really very proud of. Thank you for watching. If you want to try Moschino Bag, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Again, this is your Mommy Sharon for Sharon Talk. Bye, everyone.